Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing things a little differently. We're not giving away money, we're giving away something even better. Knowledge. We're diving into the future with 5 major AI-driven business opportunities you can capitalize on in 2025. That's right, forget Lambos and iPhones. We're talking about building empires with the power of AI. Let's get started. First up, we've got AI agents. Imagine this, you're chilling, maybe on a beach somewhere, sipping on a coconut, and your business is still running flawlessly. That's the power of AI agents. They're like super-powered virtual assistants that can handle everything from customer service to scheduling appointments and even closing deals. We're talking 24/7 hustle, no coffee breaks needed. Think about it, no more dealing with angry customers or trying to manage a million calendars. AI agents can handle all of that while you focus on the big picture, like coming up with the next million-dollar idea. And the best part? As AI technology gets even smarter, these agents are only going to get better and more affordable. This is huge, guys. It's like having a whole team of experts working for you at a fraction of the cost. Talk about a game changer. All right, next up, we're going global. It's 2025, the world is more connected than ever, and everyone's a potential customer. But there's one problem, language. That's where AI-powered translation services come in to save the day. These aren't your grandma's translation dictionaries. We're talking real-time, super-accurate translations that can break down language barriers like never before. Imagine this, you're selling products online, and boom, someone from Japan wants to buy your stuff. No problem. AI translation services can instantly translate your website, product descriptions, even customer service chats in real time. You can connect with customers from all over the world without having to learn a million different languages. This is huge for businesses that want to expand their reach and tap into new markets. And the best part, AI translation technology is constantly evolving, getting smarter and more accurate every day. Chapter 3, Podcast Power Up AI Takes Over Audio. Let's face it, everyone and their grandma has a podcast these days, but here's the thing. Not everyone knows how to create amazing, high-quality audio content. That's where AI comes in to save the day. Again, AI-powered podcasting tools can help you with everything from writing scripts and recording audio to editing your episodes and even finding the perfect music. Imagine this. You have a killer idea for a podcast, but you don't know the first thing about audio editing. No problem. AI can help you edit your episodes like a pro, cleaning up background noise, adding sound effects, and making everything sound super crisp and professional. You can even use AI to transcribe your episodes and create show notes automatically. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to jump into the world of podcasting without having to spend hours learning complicated software or hiring expensive editors. AI makes it easy, affordable, and accessible for everyone. Chapter 4, Data Visualization, turning numbers into $. All right, time to get serious for a second. You know how everyone keeps saying data is the new oil? Well, they're right, but just like oil, data is useless if you can't refine it. That's where AI-powered data visualization comes in, turning those boring spreadsheets into beautiful, easy-to-understand visuals. Imagine this. You're running an online store and you've got all this data about your customers, their buying habits, what they like, what they don't like. AI can take all that data and turn it into charts, graphs, and even interactive dashboards that show you exactly what's working and what's not. You can see which products are selling like hotcakes, which marketing campaigns are bringing in the big bucks, and where you need to make adjustments. This is like having a superpower that lets you see the future of your business. You can make smarter decisions, optimize your strategies, and stay ahead of the competition, all thanks to the power of AI-driven data visualization. Chapter 5, Websites for Everyone, AI makes it easy. Last but not least, let's talk about websites. In 2025, if you don't have a website, you might as well not exist. But here's the good news. Building a website has never been easier thanks to AI-powered website builders. Forget about coding or hiring expensive web developers. AI can do it all for you. Imagine this, you've got a brilliant business idea and you want to get it online ASAP. With AI-powered website builders, you can create a stunning, professional-looking website in minutes. Just answer a few questions about your business, choose from a variety of templates and designs, and boom, your website is live. AI can even help you with things like writing website copy, optimizing your content for search engines, and even choosing the perfect images. It's like having a personal web design team at your fingertips, 24/7. Don't miss out. Subscribe for more AI awesomeness. There you have it, folks. 5 incredible AI-driven business opportunities to look out for in 2025. We've got AI agents working around the clock, translation services breaking down language barriers, podcasting tools making you sound like a pro, data visualization showing you the future, and website builders making it easier than ever to get online. The future is here and it's powered by AI. Don't get left behind, guys. Start exploring these opportunities today and get ready to ride the wave of AI innovation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video.